Today we're testing the new Ilia Skin Rewind Complexion Sticks. They sent me 2 shades. I have 2C in Balsa and 1N in Hinoki. We have no filter. I just finished my morning skincare and I'm just gonna figure out which one is probably my best shade. They're pretty similar, although I have a feeling I might be this one. They're so similar, it's hard to tell. But I'm gonna go with my gut and go with the 1N Hinoki for today. And just apply generously around my face. I am a huge fan of their complexion drops. I'm a huge fan of Ilia in general. I have PCOS, so the fact that they are clean beauty is definitely a benefit for me. I'm trying to work it with my fingers, but I'm actually gonna try a brush as well. No signs of pilling with my skincare, which is a good sign. And it definitely has like a beautiful skin finish. I'm just gonna go over some of my acne spots and like more red spots. I wouldn't say that it's got high coverage. You can probably build it, but I wouldn't rely on this product alone to cover spots. Overall, first impressions, I do really like the packaging. When you swatch it on your hand, it's actually like quite light and matte, which I like. Although I have dry skin, it didn't dry out or leave any like dry patches. I mean, this is just a nasty zit, so, you know, but I don't necessarily have any like creases under my eyes. It has a really nice natural finish, evens out skin tone, buildable, has a beautiful shade range. I'm just curious to try it with different skincare because I think it might be my skincare, but it feels just a little bit tacky on the skin. Again, this is no filter, so it really gives like a little bit of glow, but not too much. If you have oily skin, I don't think it would make your skin look super shiny. And it's clean ingredients, which gives me a lot of peace of mind. I'll follow up after a few more wears, but so far I'm definitely liking this.